Make a slice cut in Blender. Add a second object or mesh. Shift A to add the mesh. And if you have the Bool 2 add-on enabled, press on the main object. Shift press on the main object and press Ctrl- to automatically add the Boolean tool. So when you go to the Boolean tool, when you go to the modifiers tab, you see the Bool 2 cube and it's set to a difference operator. So you can select the cut object and then you go to solidify modifier, and then you can increase the thickness and then offset. You can also add the bevel modifier to make it round. So you can change the amount of bevel and then you can increase the segment as well. So this is how to add slide to an object. So if you want to add more slides to this, you can go to the add modifier and then add a solidify modifier to add more slides. You can add 2, 3, 4 or any amount of slides you want. But remember, your machine might crash. Okay, so this is how to add slide cuts in Blender.